Medieval people thought hiccups meant the devil was trying to steal your breath. They believed Satan sent hiccups to suffocate you slowly from the inside. Medieval people would scream prayers at the top of their lungs to scare away the hiccup demon. Some medieval doctors prescribed holding burning candles under your nose to smoke out the evil spirit. Medieval churches even had special anti-hiccup holy water that cost a fortune. The hiccup cures were often more dangerous than the hiccups themselves. Subscribe for more medieval medical madness.